Every great build starts with the right tools. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate DIYer, having a reliable set of hand tools is essential for tackling any project around the house. In this video, we're breaking down the must-have hand tools every homeowner needs. From measuring and marking to cutting and fastening, we'll cover the essential tools that will empower you to take on projects with confidence and achieve professional-looking results. So, if you're ready to equip yourself with the tools of the trade, stick around and let's dive into the world of must-have hand tools. Precision is key in any project, big or small, and that's where measuring and marking tools come in. A reliable tape measure is a must-have for any toolbox. Look for one with a sturdy blade that extends smoothly and retracts easily. A 25-foot tape measure is perfect for most home projects, allowing you to measure everything from room dimensions to furniture placement. Next up, a spirit level. This handy tool ensures that your shelves are straight, your pictures are hung perfectly, and your DIY projects have those professional-looking finishes. For marking straight lines, you can't go wrong with a trusty chalk line. Simply snap the line to create a visible guide for cutting, drilling, or installing. When it comes to marking more intricate lines or transferring measurements, a combination square is an invaluable tool. It features a ruler, a square, and a miter, making it a versatile addition to your collection. And don't forget about a carpenter's pencil. These pencils are specifically designed for marking on wood and other building materials, providing clear and durable markings. Remember, accurate measuring and marking are the foundation of any successful project. So invest in quality tools and take your time to get it right. Now let's talk about cutting tools. A sharp utility knife is a must-have for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast. From opening boxes to making precise cuts on various materials, a utility knife is your go-to tool for a wide range of tasks. When it comes to cutting wood, a handsaw is essential. A cross-cut saw is ideal for making cuts across the grain of the wood, while a rip saw is designed for cutting along the grain. For more intricate cuts or working with curves, a coping saw or a jigsaw comes in handy. These saws allow for greater precision and control, making them perfect for detailed projects. For cutting metal, a pair of tin snips is a valuable addition to your toolbox. They're designed to cut through thin sheets of metal with ease, making them useful for tasks like installing flashing or repairing gutters. And don't forget about safety. Always wear appropriate safety glasses and gloves when using cutting tools to protect yourself from injury. Chapter 3. Fastening and Prying Tools. No toolbox is complete without a set of reliable fastening and prying tools. A claw hammer is a staple for any project that involves driving or removing nails. Look for a hammer with a comfortable grip and a weight that feels balanced in your hand. Pliers are incredibly versatile tools that can be used for gripping, twisting, and cutting. Slip joint pliers are a good all-purpose option, while needle nose pliers are perfect for working in tight spaces. Wrenches are essential for tightening and loosening nuts and bolts. A combination wrench set will provide you with a range of sizes to tackle various fastening tasks. And of course, no toolbox would be complete without a set of screwdrivers. Make sure to have both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers in a variety of sizes to accommodate different types of screws. For prying tasks, a pry bar is an indispensable tool. It can be used for everything from removing nails to separating boards. When using fastening and prying tools, always choose the right tool for the job and use caution to avoid damaging materials or injuring yourself. And there you have it, the must-have hand tools for every pro and DIYer. Equipping yourself with these essential tools will empower you to tackle a wide range of projects around your home. Got a favorite hand tool you can't work without? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tool insights. Presented by Milli Cannata, broker associate with Vanguard Properties, helping buyers, sellers, and investors, locally, nationally, and globally. DM me or visit www.millicannata.com for expert real estate guidance.